The different modes of the air conditioner. When we turn on an air conditioner, we often find ourselves faced with a series of symbols and modes that are not always immediately clear. Understanding them well can make a difference in terms of comfort, energy consumption, and the life of the appliance. There are usually 5 main modes on an air conditioner, represented by different icons on the remote control or on the unit's display. The cool mode, often marked with a snowflake, is the most commonly used during the summer. It is used to cool the room and allows you to set a lower temperature than the outside temperature. The air conditioner's compressor works actively to cool the air. It is advisable not to set the temperature too low to avoid wasting energy and causing temperature changes that are harmful to your health. The heat mode, represented by a sun, is used for heating. It can only be used in air conditioners with a heat pump. This function allows the air conditioner to be used in winter as an alternative or supplement to traditional heating. Then there is the dry mode, symbolized by a drop of water. It is very useful in humid environments because it does not directly cool the air but reduces its humidity. This increases the feeling of well-being even at temperatures that are not too low and consumes less energy than the cool mode. The fan mode, often indicated by a fan, only activates ventilation without cooling or heating. It is useful for circulating air in the room or at times when it is not necessary to adjust the temperature. Finally, there is the auto mode, which automatically adjusts the air conditioner's operation based on the room temperature. The appliance chooses whether to activate cooling, heating or simply ventilation to maintain the ideal set temperature. Knowing when to use each of these modes not only improves our comfort, but also helps to reduce electricity consumption and make the system last longer.